Elsie, what you doing? Hi. I'm trying my darndest to get into this diaper bag for like 5 whole minutes. Did you hear a doggy? What are they doing? Woof. Is that what the doggy says? The doggy say woof. Can you say woof? Elsie. 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 One focus baby. Oh no, is it stuck? Hey, where are your teeth? Good job! Yay! Do you need help? Can you say help? Help, please. Help, please. Where's your bunny? Is that your bunny? Ooh. Oh dear. What's wrong? Do we need to look in the diaper bag? What do you see? Is that your bee? Oh, you found the snacks. Would you like a snack? Can you say please? Elsie, can you say please? Can you say please? Say food, please. Say please. Good job. Oh, the drama. Are Cheez-Its your favorite? Do you have 4 in your mouth now? Yeah, but you should wait a second. Oh, yum. I love Cheez-Its. Oh, there are your diapers. You have a lot in your mouth, I think. That's the phone. 2 Cheez-Its is a lot for a little mouth. Oops. Did a little bit fall out? Uh-oh. Those are your diapers. Elsie, can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. See you later. You're so silly. Say bye-bye. Can you wave? Good job. Bye-bye.